What is going on, guys? We are in Newport Beach, California, and I'm with Shane and Landon, and today we are going to be cutting the muffler off of Shane's Focus RS. Okay, you guys, so this is Shane's 2017 Focus RS. It has a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder and it's pushing out about 350 horsepower from the factory. We're gonna get the full straight pipe done, and then we're gonna show you guys some clips of how this thing sounds. It's going to be super insane. And yeah, we got Landon and Shane here. Let's get today started.
Dang it, I took a picture. Wow.
So here we got Shane's interior. Recaro seats that come on the RS. Alcantara inserts on the bottom. Pretty freaking good. Nos, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. Okay, so we are here at the muffler shop right now. We're gonna chop Shane's muffler.
Okay, so I'm here right now in the front seat of the Focus RS. Let's just hope this thing sounds loud.
Shane doesn't want to do a Y setup on his exhaust. There's only going to be one tip instead of the stock 2 tips, 1 pipe instead of 2. The best part is it's straight piped. Okay, so we finished up over here. We got everything taken out. We have that single exhaust pipe behind us. It sounds a lot different at idle, so let's go check out what it sounds like in the RPM range. Dude, those pops sound freaking good. Jeez, that's literally just an exhaust chop right there, guys. Look at this, freaking Diablo. Wow.
Hey, the phone's on.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my, that sounds so good.
That was so sick.
Sheesh, what a homie. Ooh, are you happy?
Yeah, it hurts my ears a little.
Guys, what's going on? We are going to an Origin event and it's held every Thursday night. Apparently it's like a tuner meet, JDM cars, and we're also gonna have some BMWs over there too. We're gonna meet up over at Infamous Motor Group right now, and then we're gonna go over to the event. Let's get this going. Here at IMG, we're gonna cruise over all together, go see this little tuner meet that's going on tonight. Check it out. We're at the IMG Huracan, the R8, the 570, an i8 Roadster back there, and of course the 488 over there, plus the classics. Right here we got red Lambo Rari, Tony's, Range Rover SVR, super clean. Let's do it, baby.
Let's do it, baby.
Check this out. Brand new G63. Out, look at that interior. My goodness. This thing's hard as hell. Oh yeah, it's quick. Oh shit. God damn. My goodness, this thing is like a completely different animal than the last generation G-Wagon. My goodness. Okay, we're waiting to head out. They're pulling out the cars. Landon's been bottle flipping, wow, for the past 15 minutes. And right here we have the IMG Aventador. We've got Uzi's Aventador right there. And we have the 488 back here. All right, getting the last of the cars out. Everyone's piled in their cars. We're gonna cruise over to the event right now. Got the squad. So we're pulling up right now, guys. They said there's a cop up here, so we're just keeping quiet, trying to figure out what's going on, and we're gonna park and show you around the event. Okay. So we just parked, and we out here. We're putting the Aventadors right here next to the 488, and we got it going. There's a Huracan over there. Had a nice little cruise over, and it's a bit more popping now.
It's a bit more popping right now.
So right now we have some people looking at the cars. We're about to get in our Aventadors and just whip off, so stay tuned.
Look at this S14, so clean. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this? Got the Bride Racing seats. Steering wheel's gone. Man, it's clean. Got the Nismo rims on there. Okay, I want to say that I'm looking at cars, but low-key I'm shopping right now. What do we got? Another 240, Willie?
Oh yeah, we got another 240. Little basketball.
Clean. So we are gonna go get boba right now. We're leaving this event. It was pretty sick. There's a couple cars. And everyone's leaving. Let's go. Alright, you guys, we are getting chaw boba right now over at UCI in Irvine, but we are just hanging out. Showed you a little bit of that event. Gonna tie it in with a couple other clips that I have from the other day, and that's pretty much it for this. But I'll catch up with you guys when we're done getting our boba. He got his boba. Alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. It is the next day. I did not film an outro, but I wanted to say thank you guys for watching if you've come this far, and if you've been watching my other videos, thank you for the support. Definitely subscribe and give me a thumbs up, guys. If you haven't shared my videos with your friends, best way to help me out is by sharing it with your friends. Definitely tap the bell icon too if you're subscribed to me already. And guys, a lot more content to come in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.